With TeloPet, we have a special promotion going for our launch. Purchasing 3 of the bags, and this is the smaller supply pouch of a 15-day scoop. The original price is $37 each, so you buy 3 and get 1 free, so that is a $37 savings. On the larger pouches, so if you have more than 1 pet or larger pets, you might want to go with the larger pouches. And this is a 150-day scoop supply pouch. And you even save more with the larger pouches. If you buy 3 and get 1 free, you're actually getting a better savings, and an additional $60 savings on top of the $300 savings for the larger pouches. We welcome your pet's testimonials, and you can get a smaller TeloYouth pouch for free, a $37 value, by providing us with your TeloPet testimonial. Take a 15 to 20-second video of your pet, and during the recording, show and describe the current health condition of your pet. After 2 to 12 weeks, record at least 15 to 20 seconds more video, highlighting and describing the improvements that have made your pet look younger, feel healthier, and the different changes that they've had. Send us your miraculous TeloPet story to TeloYouth to help us change the lives of many other pets.